Hello everyone. Today I am going to be showing you a few little tricks you can do on your old and outdated iPod, second generation 8 GB. This works with either MC or MB versions. So the first thing, well, here's a list of things I'm going to show you. Enable multitasking, which was disabled on 4.2.1 because it is an outdated version of like an outdated iPod. And Homescreen Wallpapers, which if you can notice, I just have like a black background. That's because I don't have home screen wallpapers, because again, the second generation is outdated and they didn't enable it in the 4.2.1 update. And another thing is you can change the carrier name, which on mine just says iPod. And the last thing I'm going to show you is you can change your slide to unlock text. You see right there. Okay, so first, so the files you're going to need, or the app you're going to need is iFile, which I have right here. And to get iFile, you're going to have to get it under Cydia. Just wait for Cydia to load. Just like, okay. Any day now. Okay, here we go. So now that you're under Cydia, what you're going to want to do is you're going to have to install a new source, unless you want to pay for iFile, which I think it's like $2. Okay, I'm back. Had to do something real quick. Okay, so you're going to go into your sources. You're going to install this repo, unless, like I said before, you want to pay for it. It's insane LYI repository, and I'll put a link for the source in the description. So whenever and then after you've installed that, just when you search iFile, Cydia. Okay, I already have installed, so I'm not gonna install it, but yeah, this is what the package looks like. Cydia, whatever. Okay, after you have that, after that's installed, just respring your device, and you're gonna open iFile. Now the first thing I'm going to show you is to enable multitasking, home screen wallpapers, and a unified iPod. So if you're going to go all the way back, to your root directory, which is the little slash / You're going to go under System, Library, Core Services, and then springboard.app or app, whatever. You're going to go all the way down to the n72ap.plist. Now there's two options you can do right from here. You can either edit the what's it called, the keys or strings or something in one another under the source code for the property list, or you can just do property list viewer, which is right here, which is what I prefer because it's a lot easier. You don't have to type a lot. So you're just gonna go under capabilities, and then hit the little plus, And then for multitasking, you're going to do in lower caps, multitasking. And then type, it's going to be boolean, the first one. And then just hit create. And then just switch it to on, and now you'll have multitasking enabled whenever you respring or restart, or whatever you want to do. Now, this one here, in lowercase again, you're going to type in unified iPod. Okay, and then the type, again, it's going to be a boolean. And then just hit create. And then you're going to do unified iPod, you're going to enable it, and then the last one is going to be Homescreen Wallpapers. And this one is going to be Homescreen dash wallpaper. Just like that. Okay, and then type. Again, it's going to be the first one, boolean. And then just click create. And then we'll just enable that. Okay, there. Now the one thing I'm going to say is the home screen wallpaper really does bog down and lag your iPod, because I guess the iPod doesn't have a lot of like RAM or memory on it to where it can't like run it really smoothly. So home screen wallpaper is pretty much just for looks, but if you want your iPod to look nice, enable that. But if you don't want it to perform really well, then don't enable it, because it will slow down and lag your iPod. Okay, now after you have all that done, just hit done, and then it will just respring. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is to, well, you have to go back under here, is to change your carrier name, which mine, you can see it just says iPod. Go back under here, didn't mean to close it out, and then where it says device name, just delete it to put it to whatever you want. Just put mine to element, whatever. And then just hit capability, or go back, and it will change that after you respring with everything else. And then the last thing, well actually, another thing, okay, one other thing, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to change your slide, or actually no, add a battery percentage, which I don't have on mine because I haven't enabled it yet. And then actually, hold up, I need to look this one up because I'm not exactly sure, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It's phased out right there, couldn't remember. Okay, now if you're under mobile, you're gonna go to library, and then you're gonna go down to where Springboard, I think? No. You're gonna go under preferences right here, and then go down to com apple springboard.pws, which is right here, and go into property list, and you're going to just add name. You're gonna do you're going to add this right here. I'm not gonna type it in because it's long, but SB show battery level, like that, and then type, so be a boolean like the rest, and then just click create, and just enable that, and then just respring after you've done that. And the next one I'm going to show you is you have to enable, next one I'm going to show you is to change your slide text, slide to unlock text. So you're going to go back under core services, springboard.app, hope I'm going to the right place. Okay, so once you're under springboard.app, you're going to go under English L project or whatever it's called. And then you're going to open springboard.strings. Okay, going to open probably this view. No. Let me go back to iPhone now. Don't open it in this view. Freeze your iPod. Open it in text viewer. And I'm going to scroll down until it says okay, you have to scroll down to where it says away lock label, which is right here. Wait, lock label. Just slide to unlock. Click edit. Okay, that works. Okay, you can just do that, and then within the quotations, you can just change it to whatever and say hello. After do that, just hit done and save, and then just respring as everything else. So I hope this is helps some people maybe just enable some cool things that you maybe wanted and that you couldn't get on your iPod because, you know, people like me can't afford to get the 4G like everyone else. So yeah, bye.